So it's February 6th, 2010. I am standing in my shower because I wanted to show you this snowdrift off the top of my house out of our bathroom window. Check this out. So that's the snowdrift. There's the roof. Obviously I'm looking out of the bathroom window. There's the park and the water. Look at the snowdrift. Now, mind you, this is on the top of the house. So I'm looking out the window. There's the gutter to the roof. And look at this thing. It goes all the way down the side of the house. Literally. So this is on my roof, people. Check that out. It's huge. You have no idea. This camera does no justice. This thing is easily 4 feet out of the window. Of the roof. And there's the water. And the park. And, again, far shot of the snowdrift. Let me put it outside the window so you can see without dropping it. Hold on. So there's the side of the house. And there's the snowdrift. Crazy. Look, wicked. It's got like a design in it from the wind. There it is down the side of the house again. So there you go.